Google Assistant not working? Here's how to fix it. Before you reset anything, try these quick fixes first. Go to Settings, then Google. Select Manage your Google account, then go to Data and Privacy. Then, open My Activity and make sure Web and App Activity is turned on. Next, update the Google app. Open the Google Play Store, then tap your profile picture. Go to Manage App and Devices, then check if Google App has an available update and install it if needed. Once updated, clear the Google App cache. This can be done by going to Settings, open App Settings, then tap Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache. Now, back again to your Google app, tap your profile picture, go to Settings, then Google Assistant. Make sure Google Assistant is turned on. If you are setting it up for the first time, follow the on-screen instructions. Google may ask you to read a few phrases to set up voice match, so it can recognize your voice. Once the setup is complete, restart your phone and try using Google Assistant again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.